Welcome to episode number 31. Why am I talking so slowly? It's because today's story is about a snail. Welcome to Tales by Greenwood. Today's story is called Albert's Amazing Snail, which is written by Eleanor May and illustrated by Deborah Melmon. I'm going to do a book reading for you. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Albert was super excited. He could hardly speak. "Look, Wanda," he said, "I found a snail. I have named him Flash, and he's my new pet. I'm going to teach him all kind of tricks." Albert's sister Wanda looked at Flash. She asked, "Can snails do tricks?" "Flash can," Albert said. "Flash is very smart. You can see it in his eyes." "Watch," Albert told her. "Let's go, Flash." And Albert scampered off. Albert came back. "Flash," he said, "when I say let's go, you go next to me." Wanda joked and said, "Maybe you should teach him to stay." I think Flash would do just good at stay. "I'll try come," Flash said. Flash ran across the yard. He turned, clapped his paws and said, "Flash, come!" Wanda looked at her watch. "I think this is going to take a while," she said. Albert said, "You have to be patient when you train a pet." Wanda went inside. Just then, Albert's friend Leo came by. "Why are you just sitting there?" Leo asked. "I am not just sitting here," Albert said. "I am training my pet snail." Leo looked across the yard at Flash. "Isn't he a little far away?" "I am teaching him to come," Albert explained. "He's far away now, but when he comes, he will be near." Leo sat down beside Albert. They waited. "Once I read a book about snails," Leo told Albert. "It said that wherever snails go, they leave a trail of slime. Does your snail leave a trail of slime?" "I don't know," Albert said. "He hasn't gone anywhere yet." Oh, Leo yawned. Albert said, "Maybe it would help if we did a few tricks to show Flash how it's done." "Watch this, Flash," Albert said. "I crawl in one end of the hollow log and crawl out the other end." "Look, Flash," Albert said again. "I am on top of this pile of pine cones. Whoops! And now I'm at the bottom of the piles." Leo climbed on a sunflower. "Watch me balance on one foot," he said to Flash. "Can you do that?" Albert said, "Leo, he's a snail. He has only one foot." "Oh," Leo said. "Right, I forgot." And he jumped off. Leo scampered up a tree. "Look, Flash, I go under the branch and then over the top. I can hide behind this rock," Albert said. And Leo said, "I can stand in front of it and do a crazy dance." "What in the world are you doing?" Wanda asked. Albert and Leo looked at Wanda. Albert said, "We are showing Flash some tricks." "Well, you need to come inside now, Wanda told him. It's dinner time. Albert gave Flash a fresh green leaf. Practice your tricks, he said. Tomorrow you can show us what you have learnt. First thing the next morning, Albert ran outside. He could not wait to see how his pet snail was doing his tricks. Soon, Wanda came outside too. Albert, what's wrong? She asked. Flash hasn't learnt a single trick. He hasn't budged at all. Albert sniffed. Maybe he isn't as smart as I thought. Wanda put her arm around Albert. Then she pointed at the ground and asked, "What's that?" Albert looked. It was a trail of slime. Albert said, jumping up. The slime goes in one end of the log, Wanda said, and out the other. Albert exclaimed. Wanda, do you know what this means? It means that I am not going in that log, Wanda said. No, Albert said. It means Flash did a trick. Albert followed the trail of slime. I see slime here too. Flash was on top of the pine cones and at the bottom, Wanda said. Flash was on the sunflower, Wanda said, and then he got off. Albert scrambled up to the tree. Flash went under the branch and over the top. Then he went behind the rock, Wanda said. Albert beamed, and here he is in front of it. I knew you were smart, Flash, Albert said. I knew you could learn tricks. Wanda smiled. Albert, you were right. Training a pet just takes patience. Lots and lots of patience. Albert smiled too. Just wait till you see what I teach him next. So children, what did you learn from today's story of Albert's amazing snail? That if you have a pet and if you want to train your pet, you have to have lots and lots and lots of patience. If you have a pet, do let me know which pet do you have and what tricks have you taught your pet or would want your pet to learn. You can send me an email which is down in the description below. You can comment on my Facebook and Instagram pages. And I will see you back on Thursday. You know for what? See you then. Bye-bye.